Felicia here doing a little unboxing of the spool cable 240 watt USB-C to C 2-pack. It's a USB-C cable and it's by INIU. Let me show you what it's like. So right here we have the two cables. They give their email support card for their shop. What else do we need? They also give you this little welcome guide. Pretty short welcoming guide. When you first open it up, you have it in a lot of languages. You have it in Spanish, Italian, Japanese, and then when you turn it over, you have it in English, US, UK, Denmark, and France. So this one has all the languages that you possibly need, and it also, the setup is kind of short. Each page here, each section is a different language. The English part and the UK are the two biggest ones. This one shows you the setup, but this has it in multiple languages as well. So you have Denmark, French, Japanese, Italian, and Spanish here as well. It just shows you what is in the cables. So this is a 2-pack set, and you'll see that they're both exactly the same. So this one is saying they both have two USB connectors. This one here is the first USB connector they refer to in the photo. Then this one here is the second USB they refer to. The only way you guys can tell them apart is because the INU is on this side and there's nothing on the other side. This one here has the LED indicator, and it will show you right here along the bar of where it's indicating, where it's charging. You have an organizer strap here as well. Plus, it's made out of really good quality nylon cording instead of plastic. And now it says that both cables, the cable supports both fast and charging and data transfer. So this is really, I mean, we're talking about high quick quality, guys. Quick charge, it needs to be compatible of the same or required for the quick charge. So both of your computers or whatever you're transferring things to, they need to be compatible. And they trigger the maximum charging power of 240 watts. The LED indicator will light up while charging or syncing up. So like I mentioned, this here is the LED. So while it's transferring or charging up, it's going to show you here on the side. And then it has the 30-day money-back guarantee. And then industrial leading 3-year guarantee and lifetime technical support. So these cables are really come with a really long lot of good opportunities. The 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. The industrial leading for 3-year warranty plus lifetime support with these. So if you have any problems, you call them up and you have a lifetime support of it. So, I mean, great product. My husband, my son, they live for these things, so they really enjoy the heck out of them. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.